It's me, Cheesy Girl, and welcome back to another video. And I know you guys can't see me, but we're recording some fireworks, and we got some sparklers, and we're probably gonna light this. Say hi.
Hi.
You can't see them at all, but there's fireworks down here.
Whoa!
See right there? There's one right there. All right, there goes moving.
Wow! Look.
Wow, there's so many, guys. Look at that one.
There's no way that's not at our school. That's at our school.
Yeah.
That is so at
Say hi to YouTube, mommy.
Hi. Happy 4th.
It's so hard to see them, but she's right there. All right, so we're gonna record.
Whoa!
What? Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. Whoa, it's like endless. Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys can sort of see us now.
Wow, guys.
Whoa.
Look how cool.
We're probably going to be lighting sparklers soon. So stay tuned for that. We'll probably do a video on it later. Look at those, guys. Look at all those fireworks. Let me zoom in a little bit.
Yeah, I said we can go to the grass area. Let's go.
Does Daddy know where we're going?
No. Look at one right there. Look at that, guys.
Follow me!
It's crazy. And then there's a car.
Follow me to
Guys, there's fireworks everywhere.
Follow me to the fireworks.
Look at all those.
There.
Look at them. They're like all over there. Oh, man.
Follow me.
I wish we brought like a flashlight so we could see everyone, each other.
Well, Smith Farms are going to go too.
Oh! I missed it, guys.
Whoa.
I missed it. There was one right there.
That was crazy.
That one's the closest than that one.
Guys, I think
Look,
people...
right ahead.
Whoa! That's our school!
Guys, I think we should head to the park.
We should wait for Daddy, huh?
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
We got some sparklers. Is there any more fireworks? Oh, there's one! I keep missing like the biggest ones. Oh, there's one. Oh, look at that!
There you go.
Oh, look at those!
The best favorite ever.
Oh, there was one right there. Oh, and then look at that one right there, guys. Look.
There's some over there.
Whoa.
Whoa! It's all over there.
Wow.
Whoa!
What?
That was the big one.
This one is still going. Look right there.
Whoa! Whoa! I saw two at the time.
That one right over there is still going.
Let's watch these.
I bet this is going to be
Watch
going like the
these
whole
ones.
video. Stop it.
Ooh.
I know. All right, it's done. Oh, look at that one.
There it goes.
What? Didn't explode. Ooh.
Slide this thing.
So, oh, look at that. Oh, there's like 30 over there.
I'm okay with it. Let's go a little farther. Follow me.
Daddy said he was coming out?
Yep. And I'm
There's a big one right over there, guys. Look. I mean, you can't see it, but you can hear.
There's one over here.
Oh, look it down there.
Me.
Ooh,
Follow
so
me to victory. I'm going closer. I'm going closer.
there goes my brother. What do you have to say to the viewers?
Cheesy Bands.
Man, she likes to sing. Oh, that one's still over there going. How long is this one gonna go? Wow. I didn't think it was gonna go that long, but it did. Oh, there's another one right over there.
Whoa.
Right there. Do you see him all the way around, Graham?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. This one is like still going. Oh my god. Oh, there's two. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that, guys. It's crazy.
Oh, now.
What the heck? These things, there's so many. Bro, oh my gosh, look at that. What? Oh, I missed it, but I saw it hit my eyes, but
My
not
goodness.
the camera. I'm gonna stay right over there.
This is crazy.
It's so dark, guys. I'm sorry. It's very
Why
dark.
this thing?
It's super dark.
Follow
Sorry.
me. I see the line.
All right, Mommy, tell them.
Follow me.
All right, guys. We'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. My brother saying bye. And check out my gaming channel. Link in the description down below. We'll see you guys next one. And bye. Say bye.
Bye.